Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to evaluate this integral problem, right? So let's take a substitution, like let's say t equals tan x over 2. So x over 2 is tan inverse t. So x is 2 times tan inverse t, right? So when I differentiate this, dx equals to 1 over t square times dt. So dx is 2 dt over 1 plus t square. When t approaches 0, x approaches 0, t approach 0, right? When x going to 5 over 2, this is tan 5 over 2, which is 1, right? T is going to 1. So the integral is now 0 to 1, 1 over 1 plus sin x. Okay, let's write it later. Dx is d 2 dt over 1 plus t square. So what is sin x? I can write sin x as 2 sin x over 2 cos x over 2 over 1, right? 1 is what? Sin square x over 2 plus cos square x over 2. Now I am going to divide both up and down by cos square x over 2, which is sin x over 2 over cos x over 2 over sin x over 2 over cos x over 2 square plus 1, which is what? 2 tan x over 2 over 1 plus tan square x over 2, which is 2t over 1 plus t square. Now I am going to use that here, 2t over 1 plus t square. Okay, which is what? 0 to 1, 2 dt over 1 plus t square plus 2t, right? This is what? 0 to 1, 2 over 1 plus t full square dt, which is what? This is 2. I can write this as 0 to 1, 1 plus t square minus 1 dt, which is what? This is 1 plus t minus 2, okay, which is 2, 1 plus t minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, right? Over minus 1. Limits are from 0 to 1, which is what? Minus 2 over 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 0, which is minus 2 times minus 1 half. This is 1, right? So the integral for the answer is 1. So I hope you guys understood what I did here. If you have questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.